Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's see a brand new event in Cats Crash Arena Turbo Stars. Leo Leopard is in the tavern. This is the new event that has been launched. So let's read the content of the event. We can play gang fights till August 12th and we'll get milk. And with milk, we can buy some packs, a co-pilot edition pack, and the pack contains 50 items. And if we are lucky, we can get even the co-pilot. So, are you ready? In this video, I'll show the content of this event and walkthrough of this event and also tips and tricks of this event. Since it involves gang fights, I'll show some of the gang fights, but I'll be fast forwarding all the gang fights since it's not a tip video for the gang fights. So it's in the speed of 2.5. So if you reduce the speed rate, you can see the video clearly. So here we go. The first fight, if we complete this fight, we will get 1 milk. So as I said, I have already done a lot of videos for the walkthrough of completing the gang fights, but I have suggested to complete at least 8 gang fights for our gang and for ourselves. But for this event, it is a must, it is necessary to complete all the 10 fights. So I'll give you a lot of tips for completing all the 10 fights. But for completing of that, we should also sacrifice few things. I'll also explain that. So as I am explaining, you are seeing my gang fights. For the first 5 gang fights, we'll get only 1 milk. And for completing all the 10 fights, I'll show at the end of the video how many milk bars we'll get. So here we go. Let me explain about the event. This is an event which involves gang fight purely, only gang fights. If we complete each and every fight, we'll get a milk. It's like a token, or you can consider it as a ticket to buy a special box. Okay, the box is available in the shop market, or you can call it a shop, whatever. So using the milk bottles, we can buy boxes in the shop. So we can buy only up to 10 milk boxes, and with buying each and every box, we'll get awesome rewards, and there is a chance to get a co-pilot in if we open any of the boxes. If we open all the 10, getting the co-pilot is 100% confirmed. We'll definitely get the co-pilot, but this event is not much useful for me, I think so, because I already have the Leo Leopard co-pilot. This is the first time they are introducing an event like this. So in future we can expect a lot of events similar to this with addition of other co-pilots. I forgot to mention one thing. We'll get a universal part in the 5th and 10th box of this gang fight. After opening the 5th box, I got 120% to bodies, which is a universal part. And also if we open the 10th box, we will get a universal legendary part, which is very helpful for getting promoted. But I won't suggest you to getting promoted during this 10 days. So here we go. This is the tips for crossing this event. It's obvious that if we stay in a same league for longer days, we'll get better paths and we'll we'll easily outsmart our opponents or outfarm our opponents. So that is the best strategy to win all the 10 fights, because the milk is very important. Because if you are lucky, you will get a free co-pilot. You will get a free co-pilot. So sacrificing 10 days for league promotion is far better for getting the co-pilot. So what I would suggest is, whatever league you are in, just stay at that league and don't get promoted for 10 days, so that you can easily win all the gang fights. If you get harder opponents, just use gems and try to complete all the 10 opponents. Completing all the 10 opponents is very important, because after completing all the 10 fights, we'll get around 23 milk boxes. You see, 23 milk boxes we'll get. So for this, till August 12th, it is accumulated as 11 days. So we'll get around, if we succeed every day, we'll get around 230 milk boxes. So with that, we can buy 2 boxes. If you buy multipliers like 2 into 2 or 3, if you get 3 multiplier, you can buy around 8 boxes. I don't know how everyone is going to buy 10 boxes. So far for this day, I have got only around 23 milk boxes. Tomorrow I am going to try by restarting the gang fight cycle by using 90 gems. Today I didn't do that. Tomorrow I'm just going to do that. So as you can see, I have skipped this opponent with 10 gems, because winning all the 10 fights is very important for this event. So that's the tip and trick I'm going to suggest. So for winning all the 10 opponents, farming at one position is very good, and we'll also get some universal paths. So staying at this level and outfarming our opponents is going to be very easy after 2 or 3 days. So just forget getting promoted to next level until this event gets over, because that's the best way for easily winning this event. So that's the tip or trick I'm suggesting. Sad, this universal paths. As I said, in the 10th box we'll get universal paths, and we got two universal paths. No, one universal path and one legendary path, but both of them were not useful for me. If we reset progress, we have to check whether we will get the milk box again or not. Okay, so that's it. Now I'll show you how many milk packets are needed for buying one. See, we need 90 milk packets to buy one, and we are getting just 23, beating all the 10 opponents. So we can just accumulate 230. So we can just buy around two boxes. I don't know will they change it or not in the future. Even if we buy the package which is 3 multiplier, we can buy around only 8. So maybe by resetting the progress, we might have more milk packets. So, and this is a successive opening. We'll get the rewards multiplied for each and every opening, and you can see I have the event reward already, the leopard who's armored, and you can see I'm in military 3, which is 12th level, and I'm just going to be at this level till the event is over. So see you in the next video. Share and subscribe if you like this video, and leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Thank you.